You've just found the perfect property in Malaysia. Great view, prime location, but then the bank tells you, sorry, we don't finance foreigners. That's a myth. The truth is, foreigners can get a loan in Malaysia. You just need to know which banks to go to and how to structure your application properly. Stick with me because I'll break down exactly how to get approved, which banks to approach, and the smart strategies to boost your chances. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do. Can foreigners actually get a loan? Short answer, yes. But it's trickier than for locals. Most banks will lend you the loan, but the margin is lower, so you can expect anywhere from 50 to 70% financing as compared to locals who can get 90% financing. In terms of interest rates, it's usually about 1 to 2% higher than for the locals. The locals here, we enjoy rates of about 4%. So expect to get interest rates of about 5 to 6%. Now let's talk about who actually qualifies. To qualify, you need to fit into one of these. Employed in Malaysia with a salary of at least 10,000 per month. That's the best, of course. Business owners, if you run a company here, your chances are way higher. MM2H holders, so the Malaysian My Second Home visa holders, you guys get priority. And permanent residents, PR, almost the same benefits as locals. Even if you don't fit these categories, don't panic. There are still ways to boost your approval odds. Stay with me. Now, what banks approve foreigners? So here's the list of the best banks for foreigners. Maybank, they are MM2H friendly. They have a strong local presence in Malaysia. CIMB, it's more flexible if you have an income in Malaysia. Then we have UOB and OCBC, and they prefer business owners or high net worth individuals. Next, we have HSBC and Standard Chartered. They are best for international profiles. I've heard that if you have an account in your home country, then you may be able to open an account here without a visa. So please check with your banks first, because from what I know, you will need a visa for opening a bank account in Malaysia. It's either a work visa or a work permit. Now, not all banks treat foreigners the same. Some will say no to your application outright, while others will happily approve you. It's all about knowing where to apply. With that being said, there's no one answer for all. Each application is different and unique in its own way. The loan approval depends on many factors like age, income source, type of property, loan tenure, and so on. But what we can do is get the documents ready. What documents do you need? Now, here's a checklist of the required documents. Your passport copy, your employment contract or business license, the income proof, at least for the last 3 to 6 months. Then you have your bank statements. At least 6 months is required in most banks in Malaysia. Tax returns, if applicable, and proof of funds showing that you have the minimum deposit of about 30 to 50% of the property price. This gives the bank, more confidence in you. I know paperwork is boring, but getting it right from the start will save you from unnecessary rejections. Pro tip: if you can show a local Malaysian guarantor, your approval chances skyrockets. I know not all of you have one, but if you do, you might want to use it. Now, if this video is helping you, hit that like button and subscribe for more real estate tips. It helps the channel and you won't miss future updates. Now, how to increase your chances of loan approval? Build a local banking history. Open a Malaysian bank account and or credit card and use it, of course. And deposit a lump sum of money in a fixed deposit. I don't know, probably about 25,000 USD. That helps to show financial stability. It's about 100,000 ringgit. Show stable income. Banks love consistency. Get a Malaysian co-borrower or guarantor, which really boosts your approval chances, and choose a realistic loan tenure. Foreigners usually get a lesser loan tenure, maximum at about 15 to 20 years, as compared to the locals, which can stretch as high as 35 years. So, if you were to choose like a higher loan tenure, you're showing the banks that you need a longer time for repayment, which the banks don't really like. Think of it like dating. Banks want to see commitment before they give you a loan. So Show them you're financially stable and you'll get much better results. I know I use dating, I'm not sure why. But yeah, now you know how to get a loan in Malaysia as a foreigner, but what about choosing the right property? You can watch these videos here where I reveal how foreigners can buy properties in Malaysia and the step by step guide of property hunting. And if you need help finding a property, click the link below and let us know what you're looking for. My team and I will personally send you the best options. Hit that like button and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.